Welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video we're going to be making cinnamon scrolls. You're going to need to set your oven to 210 degrees Celsius to preheat while we get the ingredients ready, and you're going to need a baking tray. Now, these aren't cinnamon rolls, they are cinnamon scrolls. So a simple, easy recipe to make. It doesn't involve yeast, so we're not taking the time to wait for the dough to rise. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please press the like button, and of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it and you're inspired to give it a go. Please check out my other step-by-step baking recipes that I have on my YouTube channel, and have a great day.